The only nail drill bit set you need includes 13 PCs diamond carbide nail bits, 6 PCs ceramic nail drill bits, 3 PCs tungsten carbide nail bits, 1 PC rubber polishing nail bit, and 2 PCs cleaning brushes. Perfectly fits any nail gel artwork like grinding, sharpening, carving, polishing, smoothing and cuticle removal, and removing acrylic nails. Suitable for both beginners and professionals. Comes in a pink box. The case is very sturdy and has a secure latch and clear top to let you see inside. It's great being able to have all of your nail drill tips in one place. It won't be cumbersome to just throw into a handbag or in a makeup manicure case. Long-lasting. The nail bits for nail drills are made of premium material, sharp, durable, and also crafted delicately. The rainbow diamond carbide bits with durable and superior strength, and the ceramic bits with excellent heat dissipation, sturdy enough to remove hard gel nails. With good care, you can use them for a long time. Fit your drill. Universal 3/32 nail drill bits for acrylic nails fit most electric or rechargeable manicure nail file machines. Perfect for nail salon, beauty parlor, spa or personal manicure pedicure, or DIY nail art at home. Buy with confidence. We strive to provide our customers with beauty products and a 24 months warranty. So click Add to Cart now and get your new nail bits worry-free. Top reviews from the United States. Great variety. I bought these to upgrade from the basic drill bits that came with my e-drill. There is a great variety in this kit, really anything you could need. All the bits fit easily into my drill and worked well. I have not had any breakage of the bits and they are easy to clean.